In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your iPad is stuck in headphone mode. So this can actually happen for a couple of reasons. I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. Now, the first step is just to use your finger to swipe down on the top right hand side of your iPad. You then need to click on the sound tab in the top right hand side. Go and click on this icon at the bottom, which is your input device, and make sure your iPad is selected here. So if you currently have your headphones selected, you want to swap this over to your iPad. Now, if that doesn't work, it could be an issue where you've got something stuck inside of the headphone jack. Especially on the older iPads, if you have the actual headphone jack at the bottom, then sometimes dust and debris can kind of accumulate in there, and that will be the reason why you're getting this headphone mode. So you just want to try pushing something inside of here that you can clean the bottom with, and once you've got rid of all of that dirt and debris, it should go and fix the headphone mode. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing that you can try doing is plugging in and unplugging some wired headphones. Sometimes this can kind of reset the system to go back to regular mode. Now, if you've tried this so far and it's not working, we're just going to open up the settings app on your iPad. From the settings, we need to click on Bluetooth, and we're going to turn off and disable the Bluetooth, and you can try to check if that fixes the headphone mode. Now, the final solution, if you've tried everything else, is just to go and soft reset the iPad. Now, to do this, we just need to press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then go and hold the lock screen button for around about 20 seconds. So I'll do this with you now so you can see what this looks like. So we're going to tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button down. Keep holding this down until eventually you should see a black screen. Once the black screen appears, keep holding the button down until eventually the Apple logo will come back on, and you can just go ahead and restart your device. And hopefully doing that should have fixed the headphone mode. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.